Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, beta, sorry. My mic was off. I was continuously speaking. I was saying, yes, open your cameras. Good morning, all of you. Open your cameras quickly. And Akshita, what permission are you asking for? Quickly, open your cameras.
Ma'am, because I want to send my computer work, so can I send?
No, it is not allowed in other classes because teacher will not be able to see your work. This Akansha
Okay, ma'am.
Rastogi, who is this Akansha Rastogi? Open your camera. Change your name, sorry. Akansha Rastogi कौन है ये?
And he's Bhavya.
Beta, who is Akansha Rastogi? Change your name quickly. Where is Mamika, Athar, Gupta, Kunal,
Ma'am,
Palvini,
he's Bhavya.
Shaurya? पलविनी बेटा मुझे रोज रोज क्यों बोलना पड़ता है तुमको कि कैमरा ऑन करो? हाँ पलविनी, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि मुझे रोज रोज बोलना पड़ता है कि कैमरा ऑन करो? अच्छा, लास्ट टाइम वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस फार्म्स वाला क्वेश्चन हमने कंप्लीट किया था. उसके आगे वी हैव स्टार्टेड एडिशन. यस और नो? हैव वी स्टार्टेड सब्ट्रैक्शन? मैंने आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट करा है हमने?
Yes,
वी
ma'am.
हैवंट
Yes,
स्टार्टेड
ma'am.
सब्ट्रैक्शन. सब्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट किया है, यस या नो?
Yes, ma'am.
पलविनी, क्या
ma'am.
तुम्हें स्पेशली
Yes,
बोलना
ma'am.
पड़ेगा
Yes, ma'am.
रोज की ओपन योर वीडियोस?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, of exercise 2.5, my last question is left.
तो बेटा एक ग्रुप है जिसका नाम है 4CD ग्रुप, है ना? तो उस ग्रुप में जाओ और सारा वर्क उसमें मिलता है आपको, ठीक है? इफ इट इज
Ma'am,
लेफ्ट
but
देन
I
यू शुड.
checked that also, but there is no work.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन बोलो?
Ma'am, exercise 2.5, question
2.5. wait a minute. Exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.4, 2.5, 41261456 वाला.
Number 30.
तो बेटा 2.5 वाला भी मैंने अभी मैंने आंसर्स बताए कब है 2.5 के. अभी I didn't tell you the answers of the 2.5. Just wait a minute. Let me tell you the answers of the exercise 2.5.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning. And you're late here.
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your name? So this.
Ma'am, Pranav Agrawal.
Very good, Pranav. Very nice. Wait a minute. Let me take out those questions for you. Oh, ये तो CD है. AD कहाँ गया? Exercise 2.5. Subtract the following numbers कर रहे थे ना हम?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, wait. Okay, everyone, now open your maths fair notebook again. 2.5 we started. अब मैं जरा जो दिखा रही हूँ शाउट नहीं करने लगना. Yes ma'am, no ma'am, एक एक करके I will ask. Yes Mokshit, were you telling about this question? नहीं 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 नहीं, ये तो एडिशन है. सॉरी सॉरी
No,
सॉरी,
ma'am.
रॉन्ग हो गया. ये 3AD का ग्रुप का हो गया. वेट अ मिनट, ये नहीं है, सॉरी. स्टॉप. This is for third class. This is not of your class. Okay. See this one. This was a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many of you have done all the answers?
Ma'am, I have done sorry. Ma'am,
All
I
of
have
you
done
done?
some.
नहीं, मुझे ये बताओ. Have you done all the questions?
Yes, ma'am. I have done Akshudha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done the work. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Just do it. Those who have not done it, just do it quickly. Those who have not done it, just do it quickly. Jaldi karo. I'm going to tell you the answers of these questions now. See here, I'm going to tell you the answers of these questions. Quickly do this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please tell me what is this? Explain me, ma'am.
बेटा सब पढ़ के देखो. क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. क्वेश्चन ए के आगे क्या लिखा है? क्वेश्चन ए के आगे क्या लिखा है? Can you read it? What is written after question A? क्या पढ़ा है? Exercise 2.5.
Subtraction the following
Subtraction कहाँ लिखा है
numbers.
बेटा? Subtraction कहाँ लिखा है? शन कहाँ से आ गया? मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा है कहीं पे भी subtraction लिखा हुआ है. Just subtract. It is given subtract. It is not given subtraction. Subtract the following numbers.
Ma'am, I have done Arab Gupta.
Okay, Arav. Do not send the answers, beta. Let me show you the answers. Okay, what is the first? I'm asking you answers one by one. Do not show the answers right now. Okay. Let me ask Arav, tell the first answer. What is the first answer?
Ma'am, the first answer is 2,670.
2,670. Everyone, is this the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay, very good. बेटा ये हमने कल करे थे, right? Someone
Yes,
tell the
but
second
ma'am,
answer.
No, ma'am, yesterday was Sunday.
अरे अरे थप्पड़ लगाओगी यही से.
Yes, day before yesterday.
हाँ, पता है ना, संडे मतलब yesterday मतलब day before yesterday. हाँ, थप्पड़ खाना है यार अब यही से. थप्पड़ खाना है? भूख लग रही है? ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया? ये मम्मी ने दिया नहीं?
Yeah, I have done.
You have done the breakfast, तो थप्पड़ भी खा लो एक. ठीक है? चलो. Second state. Yes, beta. It will not be this. Summer, tell the second answer. तो ये करा था ना हमने सैटरडे को? ये बताओ.
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
है ना?
But
बस
ma'am, we
मैंने.
have done till 3.
Yeah, you have done till 3. Okay. 4 भी कर लो जल्दी से. 4th वाला भी कर लो. जल्दी से complete करो. Quick.
Ma'am, I have done 4 also.
You have done.
4 also.
It's okay if you have done the 4th
Yes,
one also. Let others do. Summer, SAMAR, Summer Pratap. Summer. Summer, open your mic and tell me the second answer. Summer, tell me the second answer. Okay, I shall remove him if he's not applying. He's not present over there. He's not even present. Kanav, tell me the second answer.
Ma'am, the second answer is 1399.
1399. Is this the answer, everyone? Second answer?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the third one answer? Let me ask. Yuvraj Gupta, tell me the third answer.
Ma'am, 2999.
No, wrong beta. Wrong. Yes, अच्छा मुझे अब याद आ गया. Okay, मैं I was asking you question. मुझे याद आ गया. ठीक है, मुझे ये आंसर किसी ने गलत बताया था. ये वाला क्वेश्चन मैं करा रही थी और ये वाला रॉन्ग बताया था. ये 9000 जो बताया था वो रॉन्ग था. I was going to tell you and the meeting gets over. ये वाले मुझे याद आ गया मैं क्या करा रही थी. Okay. Now
Yes,
I
ma'am, the answer was 1001.
10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 minus 0, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So answer will be 1001. Answer will be 1001. Oh. Answer will be 1001. Everyone जो हमने करा था last time, किसी ने मुझे आंसर बताया था वो wrong था आंसर. Just check it carefully. We will do this one. 9255 and the next one is 4832. 4832. Okay, now add them. Sorry, subtract them. This is subtraction going on. Sorry. So, what will be the answer of this one?
Ma'am, 4493.
4493. 4493.
Ma'am, 23.
Okay, 4423.
4423.
All right, everyone.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Check your answers quickly, everyone. Quickly check your answers. Let me share the answers. Wait a minute. Let me start we will start now. Wait. Beta, we take out maths books now. Take out maths books, everyone. Open your maths books. Open your maths books page number. Let me tell you the page number first. Open maths book page number 31. Open maths book page 31. Maths books page 31, everyone. Notebook be ready, Ranier. Maths book page 31. We will read the question from them. There. Page 31. Maths book page 31. Take it out quickly, everyone. Jaldi nikalo.
Ma'am, we will do exercise B.
Yes.
Ma'am, the fourth ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the exercise 2.5. Ma'am, the fourth answer is 4393.
Fourth answer 23 आ रहा है बेटा. 93 नहीं आ रहा है. आपने कहीं मिस्टेक
No,
करी
ma'am,
होगी.
93. Ma'am, 93 आ रहा है.
बेटा 23 आ रहा है. तुमने क्वेश्चन में मिस्टेक करी होगी कहीं पर. You just check it. 23 ही आ रहा है वो. This is C section ना, CD group. Okay, let me start this question. Okay, everyone is ready with the book, I suppose, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh Pratap Singh is present today. How come? कैसे आज present हो गया दक्ष प्रताप सिंह? है वामिका, शौर्य त्यागी, परमीत, कुणाल, अथर्व गुप्ता, हरमीत, इनका कैमरा तो कभी खुलेगा नहीं, है ना? कैमरे के पीछे बैठे रहो बेटा। कोई डेटा ज्यादा यूज नहीं होता, कोई डेटा कम यूज नहीं होता। ओपन योर कैमरास, वामिका एंड कुणाल पटेल। ओके, ठीक है। वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर हियर टुडे, आई कैन सी। Just Karan, read the first question from the book.
First point. Write a
Yes.
number which is.
This is not first point. This is question number 1, beta.
Okay. Write a number which is 799 less than 4,522.
Yes. Write a number which is 799 less than. मैंने आपको कुछ बताया था, वो याद है less than के बारे में? Anyone can tell me? Raise your hands. Let me ask. Let me see. Who can tell me? Less than के बारे में मैंने कुछ बताया था। जब subtraction में less than आता है तो क्या करते हैं? Yes, Mokshit. Yes, Mokshit, tell me.
Ma'am,
What do you do?
when in question when less than is come, we always do the subtraction.
We always do the subtraction, but in which way? Subtraction तो करेंगे जब less than आता है, but in which way? Yes, Yatharth, can you tell me? जब लेस देन होता है तब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बताया था। क्या था वो लेस देन के बारे में? कैन यू टेल मी? Any one of you can tell me? Raise your hands. Any one of you can tell me?
Ma'am, I know Yashmit.
बेटा आई नो यशमित करोगे ना, अभी क्लास से बाहर कर दूंगी मैं। आई आस्क्ड यू टू रेज योर हैंड्स ऑन द वीडियो, दैट्स इट। रेज योर हैंड। मैंने लेस देन के बारे में कुछ बताया था। जस्ट कीप योर हैंड्स अप, डोंट से लाइक आई नो यशमित, आई नो यशमित। यस समर्थ, व्हाट वाज इट?
Ma'am, the number that comes after less than
Yes.
that comes first.
Very good, excellent. The number which comes after less than, जो less than के बाद number लिखा होता है, it always comes first. For example, look here in the screen. I suppose you can see if it is written 36 less than 50. Less than 50. तो 36 less than 50 if it is given to you, less than के बाद कौन सा number है? Less than के बाद कौन सा number है? 50. तो 50 will come up and 36 will come down. Less than के जो बाद में वाला नंबर होता है, जो बाद वाला नंबर होता है, it always come up. Okay, less than के बाद वाला यहाँ पर क्या है? 50. It will always come up. Same from में होता है. Very nice, Samarth. I think only Samarth and Yashmit remembers what I taught. Okay, now let us start. Take out your maths fair notebooks. So question is asked, what write a number which is 799 less than that number. So let's start doing it. Maths fair notebooks. Open your maths fair notebook. New page. Okay. Maths fair notebook. New page. Okay. Not new page. Sorry. This is the same continued na. Exercise so wahi hai na. You can continue from the same page. Write question 1 here. Do not write the whole question. Just simply write question A, question 1. पहले तो question C लिखो. पहले तो लिखो question C. Solve the following. Same page से आप continue कर सकते हो because it is the same question. Solve the.
Ma'am, I don't have space.
बेटा तो start from a new page. Use your common sense. Solve the following. Write question 1. Question 1. What is question 1? What is 799 less than 4,522? Write a number. Wait, what is नहीं है? Sorry. ये write a number है. पूरा क्वेश्चन लिख लो. फर्स्ट वाला छोटा सा ही है. write because इसमें statements भी नहीं है. Number which is 799 less than 4522. ओके तो कैसे करोगे इसको? which number, अब देख क्या दे रखा है, लेस देन दे रखा है. which number will come at top? ऊपर कौन सा नंबर आएगा?
4522.
4522 will come up directly without any statement, which would be there. And what will come down? Down one. नीचे क्या आएगा?
799.
799. And it is important to put the minus sign also. Oh, it is important to put the minus sign also here. And write down the answer here. So statement will be written. So dash 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 will be 799 less than 4522. This is question 1. After completing question 1, you have to draw the line. And this is your homework to solve the answer. This is your homework to solve the answer. Now write question number 2. Jaldi se. Question 2 is, what is the predecessor of beta? Although you know the predecessor directly, but इसे फिर भी करना, पूरा करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि माइनस का क्वेश्चन है ना, इसलिए. What is the predecessor of 9700? तो आप कैसे करोगे? सक्सेसर कैसे निकालते हो? How do you calculate the successor?
Ma'am, we will add one and
You will add one. And how to take out the predecessor?
Ma'am, we will subtract
Yes, we will subtract how much?
one.
We will subtract how much? We will subtract 1. Very good. We will subtract 1. So how will you calculate 9700? Oh, 9700 minus, and 1 should be under 0, the ones digit. Ones place के नीचे ही ones place आना चाहिए. Just use this lines. Use a subtraction sign. Beta, एक बात ध्यान रखना है, this subtraction sign is very important. Your operations used are very important. इसका बड़ा easy answer है. I know सबको पता होगा, बिना calculation के ही पता कर लोगे. So the predecessor of जल्दी से करो complete. 700 is dash 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 dash. Stop. Okay, complete it quickly. I will not tell the answer of the first one. मैं आंसर नहीं बताऊंगी फर्स्ट वाले का.
क्या कैमरा थोड़ा खुला है.
जल्दी से quickly do it. जल्दी से do it. दक्ष नींद आ रही है? हाँ दक्ष नींद आ रही है? Are you feeling sleepy? Let me share the next link first of all. How many of you are feeling sleepy? जल्दी से complete it.
Ma'am, I've done.
All right. Okay, I'll keep on asking you few questions in between as I told you. Okay, Akhya will tell me, Akhya, what is the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4?
10, 2, 3, 4.
And what will be the
1, 0, 2.
greatest one, Akhya?
4, 3, 1, 0.
No.
4, 3.
कहाँ गई आख्या? I can't see you.
4, 3, 2,
हाँ.
1, 0.
Yes, 43210. Can you read 43210 in number names? Can you read this 43210 in number names?
I can't do the first one.
Huh? What beta? 43,000. No. पूरा नंबर बोलो ना 43210 को. 43210 पूरा नंबर बोलो. What it will be?
2, 1, 0.
अरे नंबर नेम. नंबर नेम आख्या. नंबर नेम 43,210. Very good. ठीक है आख्या नंबर नेम हमें पूरा. हाँ.
Ma'am, I am confused in first question.
You are confused in first question. Why?
Ma'am, I can solve the four where is written 4.
What you can solve? You can solve.
Ma'am, I can't solve the ma'am in first question. I can solve the number 4.
The number 4 minus 0 वो 4 जो है कैरी हो जाएगा उधर बोरोइंग हो जाएगी 4 की. ठीक है तो वो 3 बचेगा तो 3 will be the answer बेटा. 3 minus 0 कितना होता है 3 होता है तो 3 will be the answer. Okay, let me stop sharing it. You can do the answers yourself, I suppose. I have shared the answers on the D group. You can check it. Not now. You don't check it now. I'm going to stop sharing this. Okay, now look at my board. Ayushman, read the second question from the book. Ayushman, read the second question from the book.
Okay, ma'am. What number is the predecessor of 9?
Wait, no, Ayushman, third one. Sorry, so I said I want to say third one. Not the second. Third one.
Saloni was born 15 years
Saloni
ago.
नहीं है बेटा वो Saloni है. It is not Saloni.
If it is 2005 now, in which year was she born?
See, what is the date today? 7 June. फिर से read it again. बेटा कुछ समझ नहीं आया. Speak again.
Saloni was born 15 years ago.
Okay.
If it is 2005 now, in which year was born she?
In which year was she born? In which year was she born? See, Saloni was here. Can you anyone want to explain this question to me? Anyone raise your hand. Don't say I, Yashmit Mishra. I know Yashmit Mishra. Don't say that. Atharva, keep your mic off. Video on करके hand raise करना है. Okay, Arhan, please explain.
I'm in this question. They are saying that Saloni was born 15 years ago, and this time it is 2005. So they are asking in which year Saloni was born.
Okay, now let us do one thing. Let us change it. Today, suppose you are 10 years old. मैंने क्या बोला, number stories अपने ऊपर लिया करो and change the number to easy digits. Suppose 10, you are 10 years old. आप सलोनी हो. You all are Saloni and you are 10 years old. And you are born in and this is going on 2021 is going on, and you are 10 years old. How much year old will be 10 years ago? In which year you will be born? Sorry, if you're 10 years old, and how much year, in which year you will be born? Yes, Arhan, when?
Ma'am, 2011.
2011. कैसे calculate किया बेटा?
Ma'am, by subtracting 10
By-
in 2021.
Yes, आपने 10 इसमें से subtract कर दोगे, अपनी age इसमें से subtract कर दोगे, present year में से. बेटा एक मिनट जरा, किसको याद नहीं रहता है कि मेरा माइक ऑन है और मैं बोले जा रहा हूँ? आयुष्मान, प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक. आयुष्मान, प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक. यस, सी, आप अभी जो प्रेजेंट ईयर है उसमें से आप अपनी एज सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो आपको आपका बर्थ ईयर मिल जाएगा, इन विच ईयर यू आर बोर्न. सो सेम विद सलोनी. Saloni is 15 years old. Saloni is 15 years old. And what will happen? You have to tell how much old she was when, now present year is going on 2005, present year. Now you have to find out present year is this one. ठीक है? Now you have to find out in which year was she born. So how will you find it out? 2005 minus 50. Then you will get the answer in which year should she born. ठीक है? Now open your maths by notebook again. I'm writing here on the board itself. I don't want to write this maths. चलो अच्छा लिख देते हैं. Wait. Take out maths by notebook again. Just let me rub this. Write the first letter and the last letter. बस पूरा question लिखने की need नहीं है. Don't write the whole question. Just write the first one and the last letter. Write question C. Question 3. Saloni
Ma'am, I have written whole question.
Don't write the whole question. क्यों फालतू का time waste करते हो? हैं? Saloni, put dot 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 in between. Put dot 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 in between. Saloni के बाद born. BORN, born. Answer 3. ठीक है, तो हम पहले क्या लिखेंगे? सलोनी की एज लिखेंगे. नहीं, पहले ईयर लिखेंगे. पर प्रेजेंट ईयर. जस्ट राइट प्रेजेंट. और वेट अ मिनट, ये बताती हूँ कैसे लिखना है. नहीं, डायरेक्टली आप कर सकते हो इस वाले को, इसमें ज्यादा नीड नहीं है. 2005 में से यू जस्ट नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2005 minus the current age of her. What is the current age of her? 15. 1 and 5, 15 is the current age of her. Now put a blank here, over here, write down. So the present age of Saloni is this. No, so she was born in, sorry. So she was born in dash 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 here. Subtract it and you'll get the answer. जल्दी से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी करते हैं.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
क्या पूछना है अक्षरा? जल्दी बोलो. भावे, माई फेस ऑन करो.
Ma'am, in the exams, in the question, in the number stories, we have to write the statements. Or
Yes.
we have to
बेटा देखो, इनका नाम ही है, ये स्टेटमेंट सम होते हैं. अगर आप नहीं लिखोगे ऑब्वियसली और मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. स्टेटमेंट के मार्क्स होते हैं. एक दो क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें नीड नहीं है, जैसे ये वाला है, इसमें नीड नहीं थी. इफ यू वांट टू राइट देन यू कैन राइट प्रेजेंट एज, प्रेजेंट ईयर एंड हर एज. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट इज कंपल्सरी टू राइट. आप क्वेश्चन, मैंने ये एक क्वेश्चन सब जब एग्जाम करने बैठते मैंने एक क्वेश्चन सबको पूछते देखा है. मैम वी हैव टू राइट स्टेटमेंट आल्सो. यस, ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट आल्सो. इनका नाम ही है बेटा स्टेटमेंट सम्स. तो इसका मतलब है अपने स्टेटमेंट होनी चाहिए, इट शुड बी देयर। नाउ क्वेश्चन 4 इज, ये वाले तो ये वाले नहीं होते, हाउ वन वन वर्ड के जो होते हैं वो नहीं होते इसमें, हाउ मच इज लेस देन, लेकिन इसकी भी एंडिंग स्टेटमेंट जरूर होनी चाहिए इन क्वेश्चंस की भी। हाउ मच से लेकर इट विल बी टिल, put dot 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 in between, how much से लेकर 2500, it is same as the first one, इसलिए जल्दी से कंप्लीट कर लो इसको। ओके दक्ष, रीड द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन बेटा, दक्ष रीड द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, दक्ष प्रताप।
Okay, ma'am. Fourth question. How much is 1,763 less than 2,500?
यस वेरी गुड एवरी, सी बेटा इसमें भी वही दिया है, हाउ मच इज 2,500 लेस देन 2,500, तो बाद में कौन सा वर्ड आ रहा है, 2,500 आ रहा है ना, तो 2,500 में से यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द नेक्स्ट नंबर, sorry, you will subtract the next number. What is that number? 1,763. Okay. हाँ जसकरण बोलो।
Ma'am, when we will subtract
हाँ
1 and 12, suppose the number comes 12 and there will be only 1, so how the 12 will come? The 11 will come 11. When
मेरी
11
समझ नहीं आ रहा है, एक क्वेश्चन बताओ कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रही है, मुझे ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा बेटा, आप
No,
क्या
ma'am.
कहना चाह रहे हो?
Ma'am, I am only asking apart from this question.
नहीं नहीं, अपार्ट
Ma'am,
फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर आस्किंग, बट कौन सा वाला पूछ रहे हो, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, एक सम मुझे जो है लिख करके दो, ऐसा कोई।
Ma'am, 1 minute, I am writing.
ठीक है लिख करके दो, मुझे ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा है। सो डैश डैश डैश, जल्दी से कंप्लीट इट। So dash 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 is 2,500 less than 1,763.
Ma'am, I have done fourth also.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have also done all.
Okay, good. Okay, Bhavya is in touch. Only two questions are left. I think we'll not able to complete today. We'll be doing it tomorrow. 2 questions रह गए हैं. We'll be doing it tomorrow. I'll share the answers of these questions on the D group. ये खुद करने हैं, and after completing you can check the answers from the D group. सिर्फ 2 questions बचे हैं इस quiz के, फिर we'll start the subtraction of 5-digit numbers. जल्दी से quickly complete it.
Ma'am, now I understood, ma'am.
Now you understood yourself. राजस्करण अपने आप ही समझ आ गया?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am not typing properly in chat box because there is some problem.
Okay, okay, okay. The period is going to be over, so see you tomorrow. We'll do the remaining tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.